Hey everyone, I'm Carl with Centurion Pro. In our last video, we unboxed and assembled our GC3 triple bucker. If you need help assembling your GC3, be sure to watch our previous video by clicking on the link above or in the description below. Today, we're going to take a look at a fully assembled GC3, who it's best suited for, its key components, and electrical requirements. Let's get to it. GC refers to gentle cut, as we appreciate and understand how delicate and precious your flowers are. Similar to scissors, this bucker cuts the flowers off the stem, as opposed to pulling and popping them off. This cutting action prevents the large crown buds from breaking apart into smaller pieces, thereby keeping the complete structure of the buds fully intact. The GC3 triple bucker comes with the stand included and features industrial casters and the option of an off-road wheel assembly. Keeping with Centurion Pro's reputation for innovation, our GC3 and HP3 triple buckers are the first triple workstation models on the market. The GC Bucker workstation accepts stems up to 3/8 of an inch in diameter and features a continuous duty cycle and active gearing drivetrain, which allows for even more control and exceptional efficiency, while still keeping safety in mind. When using your GC Bucker, always use the hole that corresponds to your stem size. Using a larger than required hole can cause slower bucking and potential jams. The GC Bucker also comes with a built-in cleaning system, which removes and collects all debris into a vacuum bag, making cleanup a breeze. The system is also easy to set up and requires very little maintenance. The GC3 triple bucker runs on 3/4 horsepower motors. The electrical requirements are 25 amp on 110 volt and 9 amp on 220 volt. Your GC3 must always be used in connection with a properly grounded receptacle. Never power up and use your machine if the protective shrouds have been removed. Also, when using extension cords, never use anything longer than 25 feet. And avoid using unrated extension cords, as they may cause overheating or a premature failure of the machine. We just covered the overview of your GC3 triple bucker. Now, visit our website and make sure to register your warranty within 30 days of purchase. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other great videos to help streamline your operation and make the most of your bucker purchase. In our next video, we're going to show you how to organize and prepare your product to create an optimal bucking workflow. If you have any remaining questions or issues related to your machine that we didn't cover in these videos, be sure to email us at techsupport@cprosolutions.com. Thank you for watching and happy harvest!